Smashed potatoes. Oh, this one is so good. Yes, it's sriracha mayo, dried seaweed. Yes, we get all there on top. Here it is. Look at that. So good. Right? Yes, I gotta try it. I made this for my brother. We gotta thank NK. I saw the video she made, the POV Pub by TC&NK. That's their channel. Link will be in the description below. On this video, I saw it. She made it. She has another video. So has good food. They did burnt Basque cheesecake. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. You guys gotta check it. Even their baggy trip is really good. So yes, link will be in the description for their channel. All right, you gotta check it out. So now let's start. So this is roughly a kilo of potatoes. You know, you gotta choose the smaller ones, not the big ones, so it's gonna be easy to boil and smash. Here, now we're gonna boil it. Yes, okay. Put the cover on. So you boiled it. You can boil it for between 5 to 8 minutes or even 10 minutes, depending on how hard the potato is. You gotta check with a fork. And when it's done, here, you can let it cool down, but I'm rather impatient, so I'm letting the running water cool it down. So in 2 minutes, it's cold. You can handle it. Now it's here. We're gonna be ready to smash it. However, I don't have that metal thing for the smash burger, and thankfully from NK, she did it with a small plate, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. So now here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's from my brother. Yep. Yes, I can't thank enough NK for like all the small ideas like this. Like the small plate made it so easy. Now here's my brother's. It's all ready and all good. So yep, the small plate is there. Yep. Now we gotta bring it to the formal kitchen to dress it up for the air fryer, the seasoning it and all that. Here's my dog Eggsy. He's waiting. Yep, you're gonna have some, okay? Yep, here we are in the formal kitchen. We're gonna put it in the air fryer. Here's the dried seaweeds, the sriracha mayo, and the seasoning and all the good stuff. All right. So now we're gonna prepare it. We're gonna actually get the seasoning first. So we're gonna put the potatoes on the tray here. Here it is. I put about a few drops of Spanish paprika on top of each potatoes. This way it tastes good. Now here, some dried oregano. Sprinkle it on top of each. All right. And then of course some Italian seasoning, just because I saw it there, and it's also is gonna make it taste good even better. So why not? Yes, now it's all good here. Okay, now we'll take it to the air fryer. Let's go. Here we are. Gonna put it in. Okay. It's 180 degrees for 10 minutes. That's what NK said. So we're gonna set it to 14. This way I can open it before the bell rings. So it doesn't really annoy me, I always do that. Here's the crab meat or crab sticks or kani. And then here's the dried seaweeds. All right. Yes. Now we disintegrate it. Now the dried seaweed is next. We're gonna cut it into strips just like that. Yes, of course. Again, got this idea from NK, how she disintegrates it, get it all separated, makes it so easy. So thank you, NK. Now here it is. Oh, it's almost done. 2 minutes left, so now we can take it so that the bell won't ring. That's what I always do. I always get 2 minutes longer so that I can always get it 2 minutes before. Here it is now, ready to dress it up good. Yes, and the crab meat. Yes. Ooh, and then the sriracha mayo is over there. Yep, this is smelling so good. Now it's all ready, so good. Yes, now we dress it up. I decided to put 1 dollop of regular Lady's Choice mayo on top of each potatoes, and then the sriracha mayo, and then of course the crab meat. Now, what's left is the dried seaweeds on top. Here it is. Oh yeah. I mean, I don't really plate it. I'm not really good at plating it well, but this looks absolutely delicious. Here it is. Yes, and you know what? My mom and dad loved it. Like, I thought we would have leftovers, but I realized they were saving it for later. So this was actually really good. And thank you, NK, for this idea. For when you did that, it looked really good in the videos. So when I got to do it, I was like, okay, it looks good. It's actually even better trying it. So yep, this is definitely worth a try. Yes. And here's my brother's. He has his own plate because he's gonna have dinner a lot later. So yep, I'm sure he's gonna love this because we loved ours. technically, it's not finished, but mom and dad set it aside for themselves. So hey, that's the good is finished. Here's the dried seaweed that we used. It's generic. You can always get it in every grocery. And of course, the crab sticks is, almost everywhere. It's just there. It's easy to get. Yes. Oh, look at this. Actually, when you look at it, it's just rather delicious, right? I decided to add a bit of sriracha mayo on top because, we kind of like it spicy like that. So this is awesome. And here's my brothers again. We're gonna put it on the side of the table, so that when he gets home, he has good dinner right there. Yep. Yeah, here. This POV Pub by TC and NK is their channel. NK is a culinary grad. That's why I always check out what she does in cooking. Yes. And of course, thanks for watching and subscribe this week and check out all the good stuff here.